Hello, uh, here I am with next topic of NumPy. As we discussed earlier, that NumPy is nothing but an array. What is array? I have discussed. Array is a contiguous location of elements. So, if you realize an array, suppose this, this. Suppose just I am drawing an array. Suppose this one, this thing, and in this I am drawing few blocks. Okay, and this. Okay, so this is this is an array. What kind of array this is? This is one dimensional array, because in this array we can say there is length. Length is there, and no width. The first element, second element, third element, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. There are 7 elements in this array. The index of array may be, this is at 0th index, this is at first index, this is second, this is third, index 3, 4, 5, and 6, like um, like lists. There is dual indexing, means the index of this would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and last -7. The dual indexing is there. So if we define an array, so this is one dimensional array. This is one dimensional array, and look, suppose first of all import numpy as np. As I did earlier, I am creating a simplest uh, nd array or numpy array. So don't get bother about this. I will explain everything in detail later. So a is equal to np dot array. This is the simplest way to create an array. So I'm creating here numpy array. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. This is an array, and if I, what I told you, that there is dual indexing. So this one is the 0th index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is on 6th index. Okay, so what would happen if I want to display this element? I am getting here 9. Okay, similarly a is also lying a minus 1 is same as previous one, that is 9, because the index of 9 is 6 as well as -1. There is dual indexing. Just write 7. This is an array, because of there is no element at index 7, that's why it's giving an array. So the thing should be very clear, nothing beyond this. Okay, come back to our discussion. So this is one dimensional array. This is clear because of there is dimension. There is only one dimension. There is, okay, this is two-dimensional array. Right now this is not a two-dimensional array. If I'm drawing these lines, just pay attention. First, okay, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so this is a great having length. This is a grid having length in this way and width in this way. Okay, so that's why it is two-dimensional array. The thing is very clear to all of you. So similar, how? Just make it more modified version. Just a moment. Okay. Just let me turn in this. Is there something like turn? Is it possible? No way. Control Z. This is here specific. This is like this. This and this. Control Z. Take it here. This. Okay. Very clear. This is. So these are two axes of a two-dimensional array. This axis are better way to draw like this. No problem, like this I have to draw it. This is 0 axis, this is axis 0. It is here. This is axis 0 and this is axis 1. This is axis 1. No doubt in this. Be very clear, very cautious that this is 0th axis and it is clearly mentioned here, and this axis is 1, and the orientation of arrow doesn't matter. This is the just symbolic representation. Okay, so suppose, and this is an array having 4 rows, first row, second row, third row and fourth row. And how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is an array of dimension 4 by 6. Okay, very clear. So like previous discussion, we may uh, uh, give in the index here. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and it is here 0 in this axis, along axis 0. The indexes would be 0 1 2 3, no doubt. Similarly, just let me use eraser. uh, just a moment. What to do? How to increase the size of this eraser? Not it. Okay, don't. Just let me erase. Okay, this. Okay, okay, work has done. So suppose one more thing. I have to use it more. Mhm, mhm. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, now there is again dual indexing, so it will be -1, it will be -2. I will show you everything by writing a program, a code, and giving the values accordingly. -2, -3, -4, -5, and this is -6. So okay, similarly here you can write -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, So for example, suppose there is an element 11. Okay, so and the name of this array is suppose A as okay A. So what is the index of this element? What is the index of this element? The index of this element would be something like, if I write what, which row, first we write row, in second entry is column, which row, the row index is 2, this row, and what is column, 3. So if I write 8 bracket 2 bracket 3, I will get 11. Other similarly, if I write A, capital A, minus 2 and minus 3, I will get the same result. Minus 2 minus 3, I will get the same result. So it is very clear to you, minus 2 because of this, minus 2, and because of this minus 3. And from in positive direction, this is also this 2, and this 3. Okay, so I think thing is very clear. Just for understanding purpose, write a small code and it would be more clear to you. uh, just for sake of just let me write the code. I will explain it later. I am going to create it. Just a moment. Look, A is equal to np dot uh, a range. Suppose I'm writing here 24 dot reshape um, what reshape 4 comma 6. I'm creating an array 4 rows and 6 columns. Look, this is 4 row, this is first row, this is second row, and values are filled. So I am going to display suppose A 2 3. I'm getting 15. How? A2 means 2th index row, this is the row, and 3 means 0 1 2 3, this 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 this, the intersection of this and this means this column. I'm getting this value as a result. That's why I'm getting 15. Similarly, as a dual indexing, I may also get what, 2 means 0 minus 1 from this direction, minus 1 minus 2. So its row indexing is minus 2, and what is column indexing, my z. Okay, just a moment. 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, and for this 0 1 2 3 4 5, and for sake of dual indexing, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So I am getting here minus 3, and I will get the same element 15. So I hope the thing is clear. Take few more examples. Suppose I am writing here 1 2. I am getting this 0 1 1 and 0 1 2, that is this one. Okay, and if for sake of dual indexing purpose, 0 1 1 means this, and 0 1 2. So for in case of dual indexing, it will be 2 minus 2, uh, 0 1 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3. So it is here minus 3, not minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, it in positive indexing it was 1 0 1, and for sake of dual indexing it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 3. And what is about this तो 0 0 1 2 3 4 5. So in dual indexing it is -1 -2 -3 -4. So write here -4 and I will get here 8. So thing is very clear. This is the form of dual indexing. uh, you might be confusing. uh, this kind of allocation is possible using lists. Of course, we have used list extensively to store elements. uh, okay, but uh, this numpy array is different from list in many aspects, so I will discuss those things later. Thank you.